tiny thing in here. I wonder who's gonna come. If no one's gonna come, I'm just gonna open it. Not so fast. What are you doing here, Batman? What's in here belongs to me.
Oh no, this belongs to me.
Then why is it blue? Like me?
Because it's just like that. Pull it out. Yeah, take it.
Please,
Or come to me.
we're stronger.
Oh my gosh, you have no egg.
Hey-ya.
Come on.
Gotcha. Now the egg belongs to me.
No, it won't.
How about we just share?
Oh, sure.
Ooh. At least I don't have her. Harley Quinn. Not done, Batman.
Oh,
And you better not get Penny Heart. I forgot her name again. Just open it. Okay, it's Joker.
what? It's a wing.
I got it.
No way.
No.
It's mine.
No.
It's mine. Look, this only belongs to me.
What's your way? My cousin. Mrs. Emily is right next to me. Well, Mrs.
I felt super good.
Oh! Look, he's doing punching the camera.
Ah! Makes people smash. This guy got a button on his back.
There's a button on the back. And the button, I'm gonna.
A good thing
This
that
is what the button do.
Your weapons can't hurt me. Don't waste your bullets. Your armor is no match for my strength, Batman. I'm bringing you to justice. You can't hide from my X-ray vision. Kryptonite weakening me.
I do not lie.
Must protect
I hate
Metropolis.
kryptonite because it makes me weak.
Your weapons can't hurt me. Don't waste your bullets. Your armor is no match for my strength, Batman. I'm bringing you to justice, Batman.
Funko Pop. In the back.
I'll get something you'll never get, Batman. Batmobile.
It just turns to a dog.
Batman! Ow! 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 What's that?
Teeny Tiny Go comic.
Oh, this one's heavy. Ah! Captain America shield, bow and arrow. You can shoot stuff. I got your favorite.
Zoom Zoom Black Ritter.
Ooh, what is this? We got a duplicate of Netwing. This one is in my box.
Door. My favorite character. My favorite character is Iron Man.
This is Iron Man.
It's Spider-Man. Now she take it from me. And she's behind me trying to shoot me. So here it is.
This is super cool shit.
Door.
Ultron. In this basket, the Batgirl.
My turn.